Welcome to our video on how cognitive behavioral therapy can help you form healthy daily food habits as a sustainably vegan individual. By harnessing the power of CBT, we can take mindful eating to a whole new level. So what is CBT? It's a psychological approach that helps us identify and change unhealthy patterns of thinking and behavior. By applying CBT to our food choices, we can overcome challenges, make sustainable choices, and develop a positive relationship with food. First, let's talk about recognizing our triggers. Whether it's stress, emotions, or simply being in certain environments, understanding what influences our food choices is key. By recognizing these triggers, we can take control of our decisions. Next, we'll focus on challenging negative thoughts. Sometimes we may think veganism is limiting, but by reframing our thoughts, we can see it as an opportunity for creativity and exploration. Who knew vegan food could be so delicious and varied? Another important aspect of CBD is setting achievable goals. Instead of overwhelming ourselves with unrealistic expectations, we can start small. Committing to one vegan meal a day or trying new plant-based recipes each week can make a big difference. It's important to have a support system. Find a community or accountability partner who shares your passion for sustainability and veganism. Together, you can share resources, recipes, and provide encouragement along the way. Finally, practicing self-compassion is crucial. Remember, making sustainable vegan food choices is a journey, not a destination. If you slip up or have a challenging day, be kind to yourself. Every little step matters, and progress is always possible. In conclusion, CBT can be a powerful tool in forming healthy, daily food habits as a sustainably vegan individual. By recognizing triggers, challenging negative thoughts, setting achievable goals, finding a support system, and practicing self-compassion, we can make mindful eating a way of life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and insights on sustainable vegan living. Together, we can make a difference.